안녕하세요, 에리스키친 친구분들. Today I'll make spicy radish noodles called 무생채 비빔면 in Korean. Start by preparing these vegetable ingredients. So cut the Korean radish mu into 4-inch long and 1/8 inch thick sticks. Finely chop the green onions, pa, and thinly slice the onion, 양파. Place the radish in a large mixing bowl and season with the sugar, 설탕, and the salt, 소금. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will notice some liquid released from the radish. Do not drain it. Now, add other seasoning ingredients such as the hot pepper powder, 고춧가루, the vinegar, 식초, the fish sauce, 액젓, and the soy sauce, 간장. Optionally, you can add some sugar to suit your taste. Combine everything to create a flavorful 무생채, perfect as a side dish. In the boiling water, add the salt and the thin noodles, 소면. Bring it back to a boil and cook the noodles for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. While the noodles are cooking, prepare garnishes such as hard-boiled eggs, roasted dried Laver, and finely chopped green onion. Once the noodles are cooked, rinse them in cold water a couple of times and drain. Add the cooked noodles to the radish side, 무생채, and drizzle the sesame oil, 참기름, and sprinkle the sesame seed, 참깨. Give it one final mix and it is ready. Place the noodles in a bowl. Garnish with your favorite toppings and enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.